Hey, it's Noe with WTI. And if you're looking for an easy way to update any space in your home, then check out this gorgeous arch mirror from Minuover. One of my favorite things about this mirror is how it makes a gorgeous statement without having to do too much. I was looking for a way to update the entryway of our home. It had a very tall ceiling and I wanted to be able to fill the space without adding too many things. This look is simple, modern, and gorgeous. This mirror came beautifully packaged. I wasn't worried about it being broken whatsoever. I absolutely love that the frame is metal, which makes it easy to dust, easy to wipe down. This is definitely a quality mirror. It has a good weight to it. I would recommend that 2 people hang the mirror because of the weight and because of the size. I love that this comes in a variety of shapes, colors, and sizes. This would be a great piece to have in your bedroom, entryway, even your bathroom. Another great thing about this mirror, there's no distortion in the glass, so the quality of the glass is beautiful as well. So if you're ready to update a space in your home, I would highly recommend this gorgeous arch mirror from Minuover. And that's my point of view.